When I wake up in the morning, sun is shining in my window. I brush my teeth, I wash my hair. Today I'm gonna be a Superman. Birds are singing, dog is sleeping. I kick the door with my left leg. I jump around in my garden. I throw my cat in the air. I jump into my Supermobile. It cannot start, but it's not a big deal. I take my box of matches, I burn down the car. I go to the bus stop, it's not so far.
I want to fly high in the sky. I really try, but I'm so fat I gonna cry. I want to fly high in the sky. I really try, but I'm so fat I gonna cry.
There are many good musicians in this big pop scene. Michael Jackson, Pavarotti and Bonnie M. But one thing I know, 100%, I sing this song with them perfect Latvian accent. I don't have big muscles, but I have strong will, and my neighbor will. For one beer he could kill. Sometimes when he is angry, I know that it's no good. I run from him around all my neighborhood.
I want to fly high in the sky.